Namaste. I'm Jacob, and this is a Yoga Nidra meditation to cultivate peace and tranquility in your life. Take a moment to check in with yourself, release from any judgment, and observe the quality of your breath, the quality of your thoughts, the quality of your energy. Simply take note as reference to compare this to how you feel once we're finished this practice. Allow yourself to completely sink in to the space you occupy, making any final adjustments to become absolutely relaxed and comfortable. Your body becoming heavy, your breath becoming slower, deeper. Take a moment to connect with your sankalpa, your secondary sankalpa, or simply an intention that is alive for you in this moment. If you don't have one of these, then you can feel free to use the following if it's resonant. I am in perfect harmony. Repeat this to yourself 3 times. Allow your attention to flow through your body, following the guidance of my voice, bringing absolute comfort and deep relaxation to all that it touches. Beginning with your mind's eye, and moving your attention to the base of the throat, your throat fully relaxing. Right shoulder, releasing tension. Elbow, wrist, hand, your fingers, your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, back to the base of the throat, left shoulder, releasing tension, elbow, wrist, hand, fingers, your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Once again back to the base of your throat, center of the chest, your chest relaxing deeply, navel, pubic bone, right hip, knee, ankle, foot, your toes, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe, back to the pubic bone, left hip, knee, ankle, foot, your toes, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, and again back to the pubic bone, navel, heart center, base of the throat, mind's eye center. Your whole body now as one unified field of calming energy. For the next short while, bring your attention to your breath, allowing it to deepen, reaching throughout your body. And simply breathe in deep, allowing for a longer exhalation. Prolonging your exhalations as long as you'd like and using whatever count is comfortable for you. Simply keep breathing just like this. As you continue to breathe like this, you might imagine now your whole body floating, weightless, on the surface of the ocean, completely safe and at ease. The ocean water cradles the body ever so gently, keeping you buoyant in absolute relaxation. Small waves rock the body ever so gently, up and down. All pain dissipates into the depths of the ocean. Fluidity and ease is brought to every joint and muscle. You are peaceful, absolute tranquility. From this space of absolute peace, you take notice of the vastness of the ocean. Its healing powers, its purity, divinely connected with Mother Nature. No telling where you end and she begins. Placing your attention once again on your breath and allowing each breath to bring new life into your body. Feeling your breath spread through your arms, your legs, throughout your being. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, and noticing how you are feeling now, and simply comparing this to how you felt when we first began. Allowing your senses to engage with your environment ever so gently. Smelling, hearing. Your senses bring more life into your body, possibly bringing some light movement to your fingers and your toes. Whatever feels natural to you. Having grace with yourself and allowing your body to wake up at its own pace. Thank you for participating in this short Yoga Nidra meditation. Feel into what your body is asking for, whether it's time to get up or continue to lay peacefully resting your body. I love hearing about how you enjoyed this practice, so please feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel to practice with me again as I release frequent new content. I invite you to also explore my website, jacobmark.com, and my social media, it's Jacob Mark. Wishing you a peaceful day, and I hope to see you again soon.